Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a snail. That's right, we're going to draw a cute snail. This snail will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the snail's antennae. Here we will draw 2 long antennae. Next, we will draw in the rest of the snail's body. Feel free to make the snail's body even longer or shorter. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. I will draw the snail's shell. Let's draw the large swirl for the snail's shell. A garden snail cannot survive without its shell and will retract inside it when threatened by a predator. Let's not forget the snail's face. Start with 2 small dots for the snail's eyes. You can also change the facial expressions for the snail too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using an apricot color for the snail's body. Next, I will use my pink to color in the heart and parts of the snail's shell. Feel free to change up the color for the snail's shell. Now let's try adding other colors to the snail's shell. Let's try a range of colors from the rainbow. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's finish up by coloring in the rest of the snail. Doesn't it look awesome? Wow! Look at our amazing little snail friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a sun or a garden. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little snails in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the snail. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.